fellow collectors, and welcome to Long's Toys. Today we are taking a look at Fisto and Stridor from the Eternia Minis line for Masters of the Universe Revelation from Mattel. And I'm a big fan of the Eternia Minis line. If you've been watching my channel, way back from where it started with Matty Collector through to the blind bags, and now we have these nice carded releases. You don't have to worry about duplicates with the carded releases, which I really appreciate. And they started doing these figure and vehicle 2-packs, which I also really like. So they do have a line of just carded single figures in addition to this. Fisto is in the single carded release. I think I did a review. He was part of the wave I did a review on not too long ago. So we'll do a comparison with that as well. But I just love this. I think this is really fun. Little Stridor looks awesome. A little bit of artwork up here, which looks really fantastic. Spin around to the back, just kind of shows you how you can put him on Stridor. And then it says ride into battle. So there's not really much going on in the back of the packaging here. But it does boast that it is an articulated mount, so we'll have to check that out. I actually got this from GameStop.com. I have not seen these in stores. The He-Man and Skeletor 2-packs I got actually from Amazon a while ago, and then this is from GameStop. So I've never seen any. I've seen the single carded figures in Targets, but everything else, the 2-packs I have not actually seen in stores. But I think it looks really cool. I'm really excited for it. So let's go ahead, let's get it out of the box here, and we'll take a closer look. So here they are out of the packaging. We'll start over here with Fisto. Looks pretty good. I like the detailing for his hair and his beard. He's got these solid black eyes, though, which are a little creepy. Not really sure what that's about. Nice silver paint here on the torso, front and back. Over here on one of his gauntlets. And then, of course, the giant fist. The head can move a little bit side to side. You can spin the arms all the way around. And then you have a waist swivel there. But from the waist down is one solid piece, just kind of in this squat pose. Here's a quick comparison with the single carded release. You can see that he does come with his sword accessory. This one does not, unfortunately. And the only other major difference is he's got the belt painted purple, whereas his belt is just the same as the loincloth, just that paint application's missing. Otherwise, they're pretty much exactly the same. Oh, also, the single carded figure does have the serial number here, real big on the back. This guy does not have that. So just a quick comparison there. And we will put him to the side so we can check out Stridor. He looks great. They did a nice job here. Nice paint applications. The horse looks fantastic. Head can swivel side to side. And then all four of the legs can just kind of swivel here. And you can see you have some of the like robotic detailing on the inside of the legs. I think that's a nice touch. Very tiny, but really nicely done. And because you can kind of move the legs, you can kind of have him like rear up on his hind legs, which is kind of fun. And basically just how he attaches here, you can see that there's a little peg here. So he's just got peg holes on his feet. You can just pop them right on there. And he just pegs right in. Works really well. He's not falling off anytime soon. I think it's funny that they have what look to be little handholds on both sides. But of course the hands don't open. They're just solid fists with a hole drilled through the center. So there's no way he can attach to that. But either way, he still looks good. He's also got all these little like pegs on the side. Like it looks like maybe you're supposed to connect something there. But he doesn't come with any other accessories, so I don't know what those would be for. Maybe there'll be something in a future release, I'm not sure. But either way, he looks pretty good. I like him quite a bit. Temporarily, I'm going to go ahead and steal the sword accessory from the single carded release. Just because I think that will kind of add to it. I wish they were able to include that here with this release. It's not a big deal, but I just think he looks cooler being able to have the sword as he rides into battle. I just think that looks a little better. I feel like that's something they could have tossed in with this release. Not a big deal that they didn't, but I guess it does give you some incentive to get both this and the single carded release. But yeah, overall, I think he looks really cool. I think this is a really fun release. I think it's around $10 normally. I got it on sale for $8, so I was pretty psyched about that. Definitely worth the price, in my opinion. Especially if you don't have the single-carded Fisto, I think it's definitely worth picking up. Both figures are really great. I just think it's kind of funny for someone like Mattel that owns the Imaginext line. Masters of the Universe just seems like such an easy translation into Imaginext with all the different characters and vehicles and playsets and things like that. But they've kind of decided to continue with this line. And I don't have a problem with it. I do really enjoy the line. I just think Imaginext would be such an easy transition and use for Masters of the Universe. But in the meantime, I'm still just really enjoying these figures. I'd love to get some kind of Castle Grayskull or something for these figures. I think that could be really fun. Only time will tell. I guess we'll see how well these continue to sell. I have no idea how well they're doing. Like I said, I never see them in stores. The single carded releases, you know, they kind of come and go as it is, so it looks like someone's buying them, which is good. I usually try to pick them up if I can find them. But like I said, these vehicle packs I have not seen in stores. But if you can find them online somewhere, I think they're worth the price. I think they're a lot of fun. Let me know what you guys think in the comments below. Please like, share, and subscribe. Hope you guys enjoyed this video, and as always, thanks so much for watching.